Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using Weather Together, and it is retiring. We are going to be making this cute little card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of the Picture Perfect Designer Series paper and Bermuda Bay ink. And then I'm just going to take the umbrella from Weather Together. And then I have a piece of Pool Party, and this measures 3 3/4 by 5. And I have the sentiment, sometimes we all need shelter from the storm. And that's mounted on block C. And I'm going to bring in the Big Shot. And I'm using the Coordinating Framelits Umbrella Weather. And I'm just using the umbrella and then the little handle. And I have a piece of the silver foil sheets. And then I also have the adhesive sheet on the back of that silver piece. Okay, and I have the Bermuda Bay stitch satin ribbon, and I'm just going to cut a piece. I'm going to put it right down here. I'm going to bring in some Scotch tape. And then my card base is Bermuda Bay, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. So I'm just going to put some SNAIL adhesive down. Like that. And then I'm going to pull the adhesive off of the umbrella. I'm going to put it right down here. And then I'm going to take the top of my umbrella and I'm going to pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Just like that. And then I'm going to get the glitter and clear epoxy shapes. I'm going to bring in my paper piercer. And I'm just going to randomly put these, they look like little raindrops. Alright, so just like that. Just this quick little card to cheer someone up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!